From this video, you will learn how to use the word love as a verb in a sentence. So here we have taken a sentence. Look, we love carrots. So here the word love is used as a verb, and the subject of this verb is we, and the object of this verb is carrots. Here love is used as a transitive verb, right? Because it has object. So you can also write I love carrots, or they love carrots, or you can say he loves carrots or apples. Look, here is the second sentence. Second sentence you can read. We all love to talk about ourselves. Here, love is used as a verb for this sentence, right? And to talk, this is the two plus verb. This is the infinitive about ourselves. Here, ourself is the object of the preposition about.